Hi there, Eva. You have an incoming message. Are you struggling to keep track of and reflect on your ongoing thoughts? Ever wanted to see everything going on inside of your mind? Literally take a walk down memory lane. That's where Pair comes in. They are launching their newest product called Aware, the crowning artificial intelligence jewel of 2071. Aware has several hats: a 24/7 museum of your past, present, and future thoughts, a built-in therapist, and the ultimate connector of body and mind. Pair has mastered human-computer technology that receives signals from neurons in your brain, which provides information on your 5 senses. It will interpret the neurons and sync to your mind museum all of your thoughts and memories before and after an easy installation of a very small implant device in the back of your brain. It'll also link your health and body metrics. To get to your mind museum, you will first close your eyes, think about the place in your mind you wish to explore, and wait for the implant to connect you. Before you know it, you'll be able to walk through your mind and analyze any and all of your memories, perceptions, and current trains of thought. Let's take a walk. The implant will help you become more aware of who you are versus how you present yourself to the world. Every time you go to your mind map, you'll start in the Johari window, 4 major sections of your mind, with each section representing your personal information and feelings. You can initially choose which section you'd like to explore. 2 of these sections represent yourself and the other 2 represent yourself that is unknown to you. Let's go to your hidden section, information known to yourself but not to others. Here, you can access all of your memories and thoughts that are private to you. Let's say you want to dwell in and analyze your ongoing thoughts, everything that's been on your mind back burner recently because you haven't come to a conclusion yet. Aware saves all of your previous thoughts and memories to help you be reflective and form decisions based on all your thoughts, unlike now where some thoughts and memories might slip out. Aware also has a feature similar to a therapist that leverages the belief that the answer is always within you. It will never give you the answers directly, but will analyze your internal knowledge to help you draw connections between past memories or thoughts that might be affecting you currently. It works by capturing similar experiences or feelings from your past that you might have forgotten or are not fully aware of to why you might be going through something currently. Aware also embraces the idea that the body and mind are inextricably linked. Based on messages from your neurons, Aware will regularly scan your body and notify you of any health or physical symptoms that might pose a problem and may be making you feel agitated. In the body area of your mind museum, it will bring it to your attention when your mind is directly affecting your body and offer suggestions on how to balance your health. Like if your posture is constantly closed off and tense, then this might lead to continued low self-esteem. Or that intense stress is causing your tense muscles and stomach problems. The Johari window has become an effective psychological tool used to enhance how you see yourself and how you interact with and perceive others. Ultimately, the idea that trust and self-awareness comes from being vulnerable and being willing to ask others for feedback where needed. Let's say you're giving a speech and you'd like feedback on how you did afterwards. It can be daunting to ask your colleagues directly, so Aware does the work for you. It sends a message to the audience, asking for general thoughts, positive trends, and/or suggestions on how to improve your public speaking skills. The feedback giver can choose to anonymize themselves or reveal their identity. For people living with Alzheimer's or who have cases of dementia, the artificial intelligence implant can be installed at any point in their lives and become a substitute to their brain. The implant code will sync the user's prior mind to the device and add the ability to create and recall all memories moving forward in the individual's lifetime. Now, open your eyes and be aware.